Overall, I feel pretty good about the paper I wrote. My biggest takeaway was definitely that the revising process isn't always perfect and organized. I want the readers of my paper to reflect on how doing these mission projects impacted others' lives and that young people can make an impact, especially for those who are unable to have these projects done themselves. My peer reviewer offered feedback about giving more detail and asked thought-provoking questions, and I feel like this just helped add more dimension and context to the paper, and overall just made it feel more personal. An area that my paper leaves room for improvement for is probably just the organization. I feel like I left some things in that didn't connect as much to the main idea, but I thought they were still important to the development of the story, so I left them in there anyway. For example, down here, the part about refurbishing the belt and giving it to the lady, I don't think that this connected as much to the main point, but I do think that it's still an important moment in the story and really showed the connection and how we as young people made an impact on this lady's life. And the thing I like most about this paper is how personal it is to me. The stories and experiences that I have from Mission Camp, even the ones not included in this paper, are ones that I hold really close to my heart, and getting to write about them and express these just makes this paper really special to me. And I found it really easy to write about. It just kind of came naturally. The hardest part for me was connecting it to a cause bigger than myself, which ended up being young people's ability to impact others is overlooked. So that's all. Thank you.